Have you ever really stopped to wonder what's going on behind the scenes of your favorite apps? I mean, really? Today, we're going to pull back that curtain and show you the simple but super powerful equation that makes our entire digital world work. Let's dive right in. Okay, so let's start with a question that gets right to the heart of it all. You might have a beast of a laptop, right? Maybe even a killer gaming rig. So why on earth can't it handle the database for something like, say, Instagram or your online bank? The answer? Well, it's probably not what you're thinking. See, it's not really about how much storage you have or even raw processing speed. The one word that changes everything is pressure. We're talking about the relentless, non-stop pressure that thousands, sometimes millions of people put on a system all at the exact same time. And this, right here, shows you the huge mismatch. Your personal computer, it's built for you. One person doing a few things at once. It crashes, you turn it off, it goes to sleep. But real-world apps, they face a totally different reality. It's a constant storm of requests that have to be handled perfectly, 24/7, with absolutely no failures. Your PC just isn't built for that kind of fight. So how in the world do you manage all that chaos? How do you stop a total system meltdown when thousands of people are trying to do something at the exact same second? Well, you call in a specialist. And that brings us to the first part of our solution, what I like to call the brains of the whole operation. And that specialist is the DBMS, which stands for Database Management System. Now, forget the technical name for a minute and just focus on that analogy, a traffic controller. Seriously, picture the busiest intersection you can imagine during rush hour. The DBMS is that person in the middle, directing the flow, making sure everything moves smoothly, and nobody, and I mean nobody, crashes. And this is literally what it's doing, just at a mind-boggling speed. When all those requests to read or write data come flying in at once, the DBMS steps in and just organizes it. It's constantly saying, okay, you get the data now, you hold on for a millisecond, now it's your turn. Without that management, you'd have pure chaos and even worse, corrupted data. But, and this is a big but, having a brilliant traffic controller is only half the battle. Think about it. What good is the best air traffic controller in the world if their airport is built on shaky ground and the runways just, keep disappearing? That software needs a rock-solid foundation to run on. And that leads us straight to the second and just as critical piece of the puzzle. We've got the brains, but now we need the brawn. We need that 24/7 powerhouse. So let's meet the server. And it is so important to get this. A server is not just a more powerful desktop PC. It's a completely different kind of machine, designed from the ground up with one single purpose in mind, to run and run and run, and to never, ever stop. I mean, this number says it all, doesn't it? 365 days a year. There are no weekends off, no holidays, no rebooting because it's feeling a little sluggish. It is the absolute definition of reliability, built with backup parts and systems just to make sure it is always on and always ready. Let's just break this down one more time. While your PC goes offline and, let's be honest, can crash pretty easily, a server is literally built for that constant pressure we talked about. It's super powerful and, most importantly, incredibly reliable. The whole philosophy behind them is different. One's for personal use, the other is for public service. Okay, so we've met our two key players, the traffic controller, our DBMS, and the 24/7 powerhouse, the server. Now that we have both pieces of the solution, let's put it all together and finally reveal our real-world database equation. So, it all starts with the most essential ingredient, your data. That's all the user profiles, the photos, the messages, you name it. Then, to manage all that info, you add the brains, the DBMS, our traffic controller. But that software needs a reliable place to live, so you run it on the brawn, the server, our 24/7 powerhouse. And when you combine those three things together, that's when you finally have a true, real-world database system. And the most important thing to take away from this is that this isn't some abstract techie theory. This very equation, data plus a DBMS running on a server, is the hidden engine that's humming quietly behind pretty much every single app you use. From your social media feeds and online shopping carts to your banking and streaming services, this is what makes it all just work. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. The next time you open an app on your phone, just take a second and try to picture this whole equation in action. Picture the data, picture that DBMS directing all the traffic, and that server running nonstop in some data center somewhere in the world. Which brings us to a final question for you to think about. What apps are you using right now that would just flat out cease to exist without this exact equation? Thanks for joining me.